Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on a Friday, February the 5th, 2021. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus for today. Yes, but I won't do them all. I only do half of them. And the first one I will do is a Sudoku with 4 stars. This will be number 2279. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 12, 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. So, let's get started. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1 for the number 2. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. 1, 9, 3. Alright. Let me think. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes and there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 3, 7. All right. How about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 9. No. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I need pairs. 1. How about the 3? 4, 4. Well. Yeah. I'm thinking. 6. 6. Interesting. I think I need to mark some boxes. Yeah, mark some boxes. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 5 should be there. 5, okay. And then 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9s in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. Then 7, 9, and 8. Let me think. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 3, and a 7. Okay. 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of them are the numbers 1, 7, and 3. 1, 7, and 3. Yes, in this big square, 1, 7, and a 3. We have a 1, 7, and a 3 in this row. So no 1, 7, and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 1, 7, and a 3 goes in those 3 boxes. Here cannot be a 7, so the 7 should be in one of those 2. Here cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. And the 3 could be everywhere. The other 3 boxes should be the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. The 4, we have a 4 here, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the 6, we have here 6 in this column, here 6 in that column. So the only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4 and the 8. So the 4 goes here. And the 8 goes in there. Alright. And we have a pair. 4 and 8 in this column. 4 and 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the 4 and the 8 should be in those two boxes. 4 and 8 as a pair, The other pair in this big square should be the 9 and the 3. 9 and the 3, let me mark those two boxes, 9 and the 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in those two boxes. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, a 3 in that row, first rows, and yeah, so the 3 could be here, could be there. So this should be 7 and a 1, 7 and a 1. Here the 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Okay. Interesting. 2, 5. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so the last in the third row. Only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers. 7 is missing. 8 is missing. We see there an 8, so the 8 should be in one of those two boxes. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. We see there 9, so this box can be 9. This box could be a 9, or that box could be a 9. 4, 4. Alright. The middle row, 5 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for a 4 should be there. 2, 4, 8, 6. Yes. 7, 3, 9, 3, 8. 3, 8, and a 5. Here can it be 5. There can it be 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've marked those two boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. Alright, so we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. How about the 5? And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 9, 3, and 8. How about these two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 in this column, 9 in that middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be here. Now I have a 9 here, so this box in this column should be an 8. Now I have an 8 in this row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7 are missing. It's a pair here. So the 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in the first row, so the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are missing. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 1 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. Let me mark those, 8 and the 3. 1 box left in the first column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this can be 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 7 there, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 8 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right, great. 3 Stars Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku, so see you then. Bye bye for now.